Hello everyone, this is David from longtailscorpion.com and AIsalesify.com. So we're continuing with our SEO course. Okay, what is SEO and how it works. We're doing the e-course, we're doing the blog posts, we're uploading our videos to YouTube. Okay, so I created 5 videos to YouTube, for YouTube. So I'm going to upload those now and just show you kind of my process and how I do that. These videos that you see here are for AIsalesify.com. So if you go to the website, you can just fill out a pop-in form, pop-up form, and you fill it out and you'll get access to these videos. You've got the short webinar, and then you got a mini course here as well. So it's pretty cool. The whole system, it's a 7-in-1 AI sales agent, basically. So with that being said, let's upload. So basically, I'm just going to click create, upload videos, and I'm going to select all the videos at one time. Okay, so I put them in here and just select all 5. So just so you know, while I'm uploading these, what I did was I went to because when you create videos yourself, from your computer, usually the volume is not that good unless you have a microphone on your shirt or jacket or whatever. Then your volume will be good. But if you don't and you're just using the laptop microphone, which is what I did, then the volume is going to be too low. Okay, you'll hear it, but it might be like 10% of what you want. Okay, so I went to a website. I just increased the volume on it by 10 decibels, which is a decent amount, but it needed to be done for that, for it to come out clearly and hear it pretty well. So I did that. You can search, just go to Google and just search for, increase video volume, and you'll find a bunch of apps on the homepage, on the first page of the search results. Okay, so while I'm waiting, I'm gonna wait for these videos to be uploaded, and then I'll show you exactly where we are with settings, and we'll go from there. Also, I wanted to point out in this short video too, I am going to expand the what is SEO and how it works step by step beginner's guide. That's our primary keyword, because we're going to show how you can rank on Google. Okay, so I am going to break that article up into 3 parts because it is about 2,600 words long. It's better to utilize your content. You know how usually you can repurpose content across the web, right? Across social media, you could use the same piece of content and put it up in all different spots. So with this, because it's such a long piece of content, I'm gonna break that into a 3-part blog post series. So I'll have that on the website. I'm gonna add those. I'm gonna cut and paste those out into 2 more articles, so that when you go to longtailscorpion.com, you can see those blog posts. You can also sign up for the SEO e-course. So I got to put the opt-in form on the homepage there, above the fold, which is always the best spot. Okay, so I will see you in the next video once I'm completed with all the video uploads. And you can see right now it shows 4 drafts, so it just takes time to upload them, and we'll go from there. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.